Cowgirls ain't buckle bunnies. They're a whole lot better. A whiskey in her hand, heart full of pride, can handle herself, takes her life in stride. Calloused hands, lips soft as feathers. Cowgirls ain't buckle bunnies. They're a whole lot better. Take on the world, dirt on her face, ride with the best, with grit and grace. Cowgirls ride free like the wind in the leaves. Smile on her face, will bring you to your knees. No horse too wild, no dream too strong. Queen of the range, won't hesitate. With sass and style, never looking down. Dream in her heart, boots on the ground. A whiskey in her hand, a laugh and a smile, and ain't too hard to cry. Dirt is her glitter, rodeo's her stage. Never looking back, ready to engage. Cowgirls ride free like wind in the leaves, with courage in their hearts and a look that'll tease. No horse too wild, no dream too strong. Queens of the range in story and song, with boots and a saddle, take hardship in stride. Whiskey in her hand and a heart full of pride. Calloused hands, lips soft as feathers. Cowgirls ain't buckle bunnies, they're better. Bird don't matter, rodeo's her life. A quarter horse and her saddle, riding hard to the cheers of the fans in the stands. There's a rodeo tonight, she's got plans.